Okay.
Our dear guest is
Lakasan mo, anak ko.
speaker.
Lakasan mo.
Our dear guest is speaker, City Mayor Maribel Culago Belena Velabel, Social Affairs Development Officer Juanita A. Divina, MCS Stability Staff. Our lucky and committed barangay officers, headed and barangay captain, Bahil Vision Shago, decorators, parents, dear playmates, visitors, and guests. Good morning. I can feel the warm atmosphere that surrounds us. The earth is with the happiness and celebration. Today is happiest day in my daily life, for at last I am through the early stage of education. I am now ready for my warm all the experiences that I had in daycare center are bits and pieces of what I am in the future. Today I want to say thank you to my dear Papa and Mama for the love and support. Thank you also dear Mom Aborn for your love, patience, and kindness, and teaching us how to read, write, and count. You also taught us to have confidence when singing and dancing and reciting a poem. More than all this, thank you for teaching us how to make and keep friends, for reminding us always to obey, love, and respect our parents, and to love and pray to Jesus. My dear playmates, I know we really have fun as we grow together, as we share the joys and laughter of our childhood. We will never forget the values that we gain. Instead, let's stop, keep it in our heart, so that wherever we may go, whoever we may be, whatever situation we are, we can still stand and say, I can do it with God as my guide. Again, to our loving parents, they were first and above all to God. Thank you so much.
Wow.